Step 1. Open the De-Con Pac carrying bag. Step 2. Remove the liner from the bag and set aside. Step 3. Now remove the frame from the bag. Step 4. Lift the frame slightly off the ground and expand it completely by pulling from all 4 corners. Step 5. Fold the roof up at each frame corner. Engage the auto slider at each frame corner and fold the roof back over. Step 6. Extend the frame legs by slowly pulling their extensions down until the snap button snaps in the middle or second hole. Step 7. Lay the De-Con Pac liner inside the frame and unfold. Step 8. Pull the liner up toward the buckles at each frame corner and snap together. It's quick and easy. If needed, cinch the straps on the buckles. Step 9. Snap the liner's side tabs around each frame leg. Use the first snap when setting up a single De-Con Pac. Step 10. If the auto roof includes an integrated shower system, attach the shower hose to your water source. Completed. And that's it. You are ready to decon. Teardown instructions. Tearing down is just as quick and easy as setting up the De-Con Pac. The durability of your De-Con Pac depends on how carefully it is restored to its case, which is why it's very important to follow the teardown instructions step by step. The following teardown instructions apply to a single De-Con Pac with auto roof and should be followed in this order to ensure a quick and safe teardown. Please watch this entire section before tearing down. Step 1. When used for training, wipe the De-Con Pac clean of any liquid or residue. In the case of actual decontamination, the liner should be properly disposed of and replaced with a new one. Step 2. Unsnap the liner side tabs. Step 3. Unsnap the liner buckles. Step 4. Bring the left and right sides of the liner together and compress the liner to the side as if folding a giant paper bag. Make sure that the liner is flat and without creases. Follow the existing creases when refolding the liner. Step 5. Grab the top end of the liner and fold the bag in half. Step 6. Fold the long side into thirds. Step 7. At a right angle, fold again into thirds and set the liner aside. Step 8. Depress the snap buttons on the frame legs and shorten them 2 at a time. Step 9. Pull the ring on each frame corner to unlock the auto sliders. Fold the corners of the roof for easier access. Step 10. Lift the frame slightly off the ground and compress it until it's fully closed. Watch out for your fingers! Step 11. Place the frame in the carrying bag. Make sure the top of the frame goes in first. Step 12. Expand the frame just a bit inside of the carrying bag. Insert the liner into this bag between the frame legs unless disposal is appropriate. Step 13. Carefully zip up the bag and you're done.